Welcome to MotorMav. Today, we will talk about the difference between the 3.21 and 3.92 axle ratios. If you compare 3.21 versus 3.92, you will notice that they offer distinctly different results in towing capacity, gas mileage, acceleration, and other relevant fields. Let's dig out other differences between these axle ratios. Number 1. Acceleration. In this case, the 3.21 axle ratio is a complete winner, because it can accelerate swiftly where others are time-consuming. Number 2. Fuel economy. Switching to 3.21 gear can reduce fuel consumption and help you save some extra pennies, where the 3.92 axle ratio burns a lot of fuel. Number 3. Towing capacity. Ram 1500 riders noticed that 3.21 has 2 lowered gears for towing while 3.92 comes with 3 lowered gears for towing. They have seen that 3.21 offers excellent towing performance at 31 to 38 miles per hour and 48 to 57 miles per hour speed. On the contrary, 3.92 gets better at towing from 0 to 30 miles per hour, 39 to 47 miles per hour, and 58 to 70 miles per hour of speed. Number 4. Gas mileage. 3.21 axle ratio provides a rider 20 to 22 better than a 3.92 axle ratio, with 18 to 20 mileage. If your primary objective is MPG and fuel economy, you should stick with the 3.21 gear. We hope this video will be very useful for you. Thanks for watching.